Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
After reading this category, they will show us services. So let's see what they are showing us. They are providing us lots of services for LinkedIn. Let's see. LinkedIn followers profile maximum 1K, 100 to 500 per day, 30 days refill, start 0 to 12 hours. LinkedIn profile LinkedIn followers profile maximum 1 million. You can see that the difference between these two is that they will give us maximum 1k followers, and here they will give us maximum 1 million. For that, the dollar has been increased over there. So you just need to read them, and you will get the difference between these all services. Okay, so LinkedIn photo or video post views. If you want only views for your LinkedIn photo or video, then you can go with this one, and that is also non-drop. And you can see they are giving this 30 days refill things. If for some reason your followers get dropped, then you can go with this refill section, and that is within 30 days. So this is also safe side to go with these two for followers. And if you want more, then you can go with this 1 million. If you want less, then you can go with 1k. LinkedIn post views B3 maximum 5k, and LinkedIn post likes mixed maximum 10k. As you can see, the difference between these two is that post likes, they will provide us LinkedIn post likes, and that is only for B3 and maximum 5k. But these post likes for mixed, they will give mixed likes, and that is with maximum 10k. As you can see, they are providing only for USA country, and that is US LinkedIn Love. That's mean Love React. They will provide you for USA, and that is maximum 10k. Curious for USA, they are targeting only USA country for these services, and that is with different reaction. You can see love, curious, insightful, connection, and those things. So let me go with today we will see how we can add our followers. So let me go with this followers thing, and that is I will go with this 1k one. So if I select this 1k maximum profile, LinkedIn followers profile maximum 1k, and that is with 30 days refill services, then they will add a description over there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.